Hey everyone, this is a tutorial on Arkitex, and it's just a quick overview on the different tools that you're going to need to work within the Arkitex system, and we'll get into the other things deeper later on. First thing you want to know when you have it is console is where all the tools are, so we'll launch that. When it's up, there's four icons that we use mostly. The first one being the publication builder. So when I click on that one, it launches the publication builder, and in that is where we build the jobs and or modify the jobs, set your page numbers, colors, all those things like that. But again, we'll get into that in a different course. The next button is the engine, and this is where all the processing is being done. You can see your errors, you can kind of see your thumbnails. It pretty much sits there and does its job, and you can make sure that it's working correctly. And doesn't have any red. So anyway, it's just the engine. The next one is the client, and I've already have an application launched. It brings up the browser screen from Internet Explorer, and it's a Java interface, but I already have one launched, and it looks like this when it's all done. So the client shows you the date, the publication, the trays, and it's how you output the plates. So we're going to minimize that one. Again, we'll get into it deeper later on. This is just an overview. The next one over here is the plate builder. And with that one, we'll get into that in another module as well. And it is the ability to adjust the plate templates so that the PDFs fall into specific positions on the plate. And you're adding the furniture like registration marks and color bars and things like that. Lastly, I want to show you the Arkitex Producer, which is the engine where you can watch the flows, and that one's under Monitor, Activity Monitor, and I'll explain that one quickly to you so you see what's going on. That's the window that's above the Arkitex Director. So these are all just the different cues that we see. There's the Director In. The Director In window is right here. And that's when you drop a PDF into the watch folder, it'll flash quickly and it goes down into the completed. Softproof is for the thumbnails for the specific pages and or the thumbnails for the plates once they're imposed. Again, they go through here and they finish up in the completed job. If you have something held, it's in the middle one. Oops. So then we go into the ink calculation, and this is where the data is sent to the inking system. Output CTP1, output CTP2, those are the paths right here that go right through here. Those are the paths for each individual CTP device. We can pause or hold each one of these, so we got it disabled by clicking on that, and we can do each individual one depending on what you have as your problem that you want to work on. You can do portions of or the entire line. Please make care not to hit delete by accident. But so there's our path. There's our OptiInk path. There's our RIPS. This is our hub, and these are the ones that we want to try and look at the most. Thank you guys.